Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today in this video is to show you all how to quickly and easily create pro forma financial projections for a hotel/motel using my hotel/motel business plan template, specifically the basic financial model that's included in it. So the way the video is going to play out is, first and foremost, going to go ahead and give you a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, what we'll do is we'll go ahead and take a look at the financial model, which is included in my hotel/motel business plan template. I'll show you all how to use the financial model, where to put your information, and then once you're done, where the financial statements will come out. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this little presentation. So as promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, MBA, doctoral candidate. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if you all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, the growth opportunities of writing your own business plan for a hotel/motel, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to write a business plan for you. I am also a published author on Amazon.com. Several books published on business plan writing. Check me out there. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert for both business and finance. So if you do need some financial projections, your business plan is good to go. But you're still tripping up those financial projections, like I said, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to write your financial projections, put those together for you. All right, enough about me. Let's talk about the star of the show, which is my financial model. So if you do buy my financial, my hotel/motel business plan template, it does come with a Word document. And the Word document is right here. Say hello to Word document. This Word document, I cover this in a separate tutorial. But for this tutorial, we're going to talk about the basic financial model. So once you download once you make the purchase, you download the template. The financial model is in Excel. You just open it up right here. It's got 4 tabs, which is your information pages, your projections, profit and loss for year 1, and your income statement. Any changes that you make on your information page will update to your projections, your profit and loss, as well as your income statement. For the information page, I do break this into categories. The first category is going to be daily sales. Just enter the number of rooms you expect to rent nightly, average price per room, and whatever your variable cost is as a percentage, enter it here, and that'll update your revenue portion of your financial statements. Right here, this is the number of days you're going to be operating, typically in a week. The next section is going to be your labor section. First line right here is going to be how much you want to pay yourself or your executive team on a monthly basis. The next line is going to be the number of employees you're going to have, the rate on average you're going to be paying your employees, and the number of hours they're going to be working monthly. Your next section is going to be your startup costs. The first 2 lines is how you're going to fund your business. For this particular example, I'm saying it's going to be $100,000 equity investment with a loan of $500,000, but you can change these numbers to whatever you see fit. When you put in the loan amount right here, it will automatically populate down here in the loan information section. And then all you have to do is enter an interest rate and a term, and your payment will be calculated accordingly, and your payments will roll into your profit and loss statements as well as your income statement. The rest of the lines right here is going to be how you're going to break up your so your investment right here in this example is $600,000, and then the subsequent lines under here is how you're going to divvy up that $600,000 for your startup cost. These lines right here, these titles can be changed, but these 2 titles right here and these 2 titles right here, those are static. You can't change those. So you'll go ahead and whatever your total dollar amount for startup is going to be invested is going to be broken into categories down here. Your next section is going to be your monthly fixed cost. Whatever your monthly fixed costs are going to be for these, you're just going to enter into these categories right here. These titles are static, so you can't change those. And then anything that's not covered in these titles right here, you'll just add together and put in other, and then it'll all be totaled right here. Your tax rate, just whatever your tax rate is going to be, plug it in right there. For your growth rates, I do allow you to make your growth rates adjusted for annually for the first 5 years. You make those adjustments here. Further, on the profit and loss tab, you can make monthly changes to your 12-month profit and loss revenues. So, for example, if you want to go ahead and increase your revenues from 0.83% for the second month to 2%, you can change that and your sales will update accordingly. The rest of the growth rates for your costs would be right there. And we already talked about that loan information. All right, so once you make those changes, then it'll update your projections tab, which is just a summary of your information, your profit and loss, and your income statement. So hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. Oh, and then finally, once you're done updating that information, just copy and paste these financial statements. Just go ahead and just highlight it. And you'll hit the copy, Control C, and then you'll go to your Word document and hit Control V and enter the financial projection or the financial statements into the various categories. So just copy and paste, pretty straightforward. All right, so let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. So in summary, if you do buy my hotel/motel business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as the tutorial, and that video is done separately. You can find that on my website. Also, you do get a basic financial model that's customized for the industry, as well as the tutorial, and the video that you just watched is the tutorial for the financial model. Also, I do provide you all with several opportunities to watch various business plan writing tutorials that I've produced. They are free. You can go to them. You can get them at this link right here. As always, there are some limitations to my hotel/motel business plan template. First, it is not compatible with Google Docs. It is also not compatible with Apple products. So you do need Microsoft Word and you do need Microsoft Excel in order to make the changes. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns about my hotel/motel business plan template, you want to have a great conversation about it before you buy it, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. My contact information is right there. Be delighted to have a great conversation with you. However, after you purchase the template, if you still need help after watching the tutorials, or you don't even want to watch the tutorials, you just want somebody to help you, I'd be delighted to be that person. However, keep in mind, I do not offer free phone support. My services, there would be a fee for my services. So if you are interested in buying my hotel/motel business plan template, just go to this link right here, and it's downloadable immediately after you pay for it. And then finally, if you don't want to mess with templates and you don't want to screw around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for your hotel or motel, or you just need a professional to do your pro forma financial projections, I would be delighted to be that person. Check out my custom business plan writing prices on my business plan prices link right there. All right. Hopefully this information was helpful. As always, go out and make a little bit of money and have a great day. Thank you.